tell us we're winning, but I look around and see a lot of tired eyes. We built these towers to touch the stars, but forgot how to feel the ground beneath our feet. Is this living or just staying awake? In the neon glow of a city that never sleeps, we're counting our likes while our secrets we keep. The paper says we're connected, tied with a digital thread, but there's a hollow kind of silence in the space inside my head. We're chasing a ghost called better, running till the breath runs out, trading the beauty of the mystery for the certainty of doubt. The review calls it dependency, I just call it a cage. 1,000 chapters are written on a pixels and glass page. We've automated the harvest, we've optimized the sun, but the soul don't move in binary, it don't finish when it's done. Like a record with a scratch, we keep skipping past the now, searching for the wow while we're suffocating on the how. There's a healing in the shadows, a medicine in the slow, a truth the data doesn't capture, a seed that needs time to grow. They say the mind is a machine, just a glitch to be repaired, but maybe the ache is just a sign of a heart that's finally scared. It's a paradox in the pulse. To find the light, you embrace the dark, to keep the fire burning. You gotta protect the smallest spark. Oh, it's a rhythm, babe. It's the rhythm of the blue. It's the ebb and the flow of the me and the you. Happiness ain't a station where the train comes to rest. It's the courage to be quiet. It's the heartbeat in your chest. Yeah, the world keeps spinning, but you can choose your pace. Find the meaning in the question, not the finish of the race. So put the screen down, listen to the silence for a while. Maybe the answer isn't something you find, maybe it's something you become.